Good morning. In the earlier lecture, we started vector or cross product of two vectors. To have expression for vector A cross vector B, we have first defined various rules: I cross I, J cross J, K cross K. These are 0. I cross I 0, J cross J 0, K cross K 0. I cross J is equal to K, J cross I is equal to minus K, J cross K is equal to I, K cross J is equal to minus I, K cross I is equal to plus J, I cross K is equal to minus J. With the help of these rules, finally we obtain this formula: A cross B is equal to A2B3 minus A3B2 into I plus A3B1 minus A1B3J plus A1B2 minus A2B1K. This is one method to get product of two vectors. One more method is there: getting cross product or vector product of two vectors using determinant. Let us see how determinant can be used to get cross product of two vectors. Actually, if we use determinant for getting the cross product or vector product of two vectors, it will be a very short and simple method. So let me talk about getting cross product or vector product of two vectors using determinant. So let us consider two vectors. Vector A is equal to A1I plus A2J plus A3K, equation 1. Vector B is equal to B1I plus B2J plus B3K, equation 2. Remember what we are doing in this article. We are using determinant to get cross product or vector product of two vectors. Here I have given a bar to represent vector. This I, J, K, these are also vectors. This I, J, K, these are also vectors. Henceforth, I am not going to put a bar or arrowhead on the letter for vector. You put it. Don't forget to put a bar or arrowhead on a vector. Now, how to write cross product of these two in vector form? Vector A cross vector B is equal to, in the first row we have to write the unit vectors I, J, K. I, J, K. Okay, then components of vector A. in the second row. In the third row, components of B. This is a determinant, and what you have written in the determinant, vector A cross vector B is written inside this determinant. First row is for unit vectors I, J, K. Second row for rectangular components of vector A along these unit vectors I, J, K respectively. Third row for the rectangular components of vector B along these vectors I, J, K respectively. Now, this determinant is 3 by 3 determinant. It may be further written as I into, skip this row, this column. When we consider I, skip this column, this row. What is left? A2, A3, B2, B3. 2 by 2 determinant. Write it here. A2, A3, B2, B3. Minus J. Minus sign is taken here. Minus J. The row containing J skipped. The column containing J is also skipped. Here we have skipped the column and the row containing I. Similarly, when we consider J, we have to skip the row containing J, the column containing J. And what left? If we skip this column and this row, A1, A3, B1, B3. Write it here. A1, A3, B1, B3. Plus K. Plus K. Now, skip the column containing K, skip the row containing K. So, this row, this column skipped. What left? A1, A2, B1, B2. Write it here in the determinant. A1, A2, B1, B2. So, you have to write this determinant this way. Then, what is written? This and this for this and this is written for cross product of vector A and vector B. So, here we have to take cross product of this element minus this element, of this element minus this element, of these elements minus these elements. Let us write it here. So, vector A cross vector B is equal to cross product of these two, A2, B3. A2, B3 minus cross product of these two, A3, B2. Minus J into this cross product A1, B3 minus this cross product A3, B1 plus K into A1, B2 minus A2, B1 This is further equal to I is left here. A2 B3 minus A3 B2 into I. Take this minus outside as common. Minus minus will become plus, and what will happen? A3 B1 minus A1 B3 plus J is left here, write J, plus A1 B2 minus A2 B1 K, equation number 3. This is the expression we obtained earlier using the rules of cross product of unit vectors. This equation, this is also 3, is obtained in this article using the determinant, method of determinant. Observe this equation and this equation. This is A cross B, this is A cross B. A2 B3, A2 B3 minus A3 B2, A3 B2 I plus A3 B1, A3 B1 minus minus A1 B3, A1 B3 J plus A1 B2, A1 B2 minus A2 B1, A2 B1 K. We obtained the same equation. So it is up to you which method you want to use. This is determinant method, very short, very easy method. If you want, you can use this method to get the cross product of two vectors. If you don't want to use this method, then you have to remember this formula for cross product of two vectors. A2 B3 minus A3 B2 into I plus A3 B1 minus A1 B3 into J plus A1 B2 minus A2 B1 into K. If you remember this formula, there is no need to go for this determinant. So decide which method you want to use. Both methods are used invariably. The shortest and very easy method to get cross product or vector product of two vectors is by using the determinant. So this is other method, that is determinant method for getting the cross product or vector product of two vectors, right? So it is very simple. Hope you got it. Now let us try to work out few problems on vector product of two vectors. Problems. Let us work out few problems on cross product or vector product of two vectors. Find cross product of following vectors. First example, vector A is equal to 2i plus 4j plus 8k. Vector B is equal to I minus 3j minus 6k. Let us suppose this is vector A, this is vector B, and we are asked to found the cross product. Either you write this in determinant form or you should remember the formula. A2 B3 minus A3 B2 into I plus j into in the bracket A3 B1 minus A1 B3 plus k into in the bracket A1 B2 minus A2 B1. Let me write this in the determinant form. Solution. Vector A cross vector B is equal to I j k 2 4 8 1 minus 3 minus 6. Determinant form. This is equal to I into 4 8 minus 3 minus 6 minus j into 2 8 1 minus 6 plus k into 2 4 1 minus 3. When I is taken, this column, this row skipped, what left? 4 8 minus 3 minus 6 written here. When minus j is taken from here, this is skipped, what left? 2 8 1 minus 6, it is taken here. When k is taken for the product, this is skipped, what left? 2 4 1 minus 3, written that way. This is equal to I into 4 6 minus 24 minus 8 3 minus 24 minus j into 6 2 minus 12 minus 8 1 8 plus k into 2 3 minus 6 minus 4 1 4. This is equal to I into minus of minus plus 24 minus 24 minus 24 plus 24 minus j into minus 12 minus 8 minus 20 plus k into minus 6 minus 4 minus 10, and answer is A cross B is equal to 0i plus 20j minus 10k. Okay, so 0i plus 20j minus 10k, this is the cross product or vector product of these two given vectors. You see, this is very simple method and very easy. Simple, easy and very shortcut to get the vector product of two vectors. We shall go for more problems in the next lecture. Till then, thank you.